So the breast is made up of ducts, glands, fat, and a supporting stroma of fibrous tissue which helps to give the shape of the breast. It also has a lymphatic system, that is the lymph that is carried to the lymph nodes in the armpit. Just like in the neck, there are lymph nodes. If you remember your time when you had a tonsillar attack or a tonsillitis, the lymph nodes in the neck would increase, become very tender, and this is the lymphatic system in our body that helps to fight disease. It tries to prevent any disease occurring in that organ to go to the rest of the body. Similarly, in the breast, you have the lymph nodes, around 40 of them in the armpit, and they are our first line of attack. If a tumor occurs in the breast, they try to prevent that breast cancer from going anywhere else. So when there is a inducement to cause cancer because of any of the risk factors I have said or genetic changes that happen, then inside the duct of the gland, the tumor seems to begin. It can also begin in the lobules, the gland where the milk is produced. So if it starts in the ductal area of the breast, then it is called as the intraductal breast cancer, which happens in 90% of the cancers are intraductal, and the remaining happen in the parenchyma and in the lobules, so it's called the lobular cancer. So in short, there are two types of breast cancers: the intraductal breast cancer and the intralobular breast cancer. When that tumor remains within the duct is a hollow structure with a very thick wall. As long as the tumor lies within that duct, it is called as stage 0 of breast cancer. So it is the precancerous stage. The minute that wall is broken and the tumor flows out of the lining, then it becomes an invasive breast cancer. So it's the first stage. When this tumor then invades the surrounding breast tissue, when it is less than 2 centimeters, it is stage 1. When it becomes more than 2 centimeters, it goes to stage 2A. When it spreads to the lymphatics, the lymph node in the armpit, then it is stage 2B. If the tumor within the breast increases to more than 5 centimeters or invades the skin, and if the nodes become, many of them get involved, then it becomes stage 3, and then if the tumor spreads to the rest of the body, it becomes stage 4. So these are the stages of breast cancer.